Hello, guys. Welcome to a new series that I'm going to call Android Development for Beginners. And in this, in the latter stages of this series, I would be demonstrating uh, the Android development with the code examples also. So I hope you can learn something from this, and I'm just sharing what I have learned, and this is very hands-on approach. I'm not going to keep you into the theory so much, but we will do our best to get right into the practical stuff. So yeah, it's like let's just start with some introduction. And so, what is an Android? Android is like an OS, similarly that iOS is a operating system for Apple devices, and for all other devices, around 72% of mobile phones globally are using Android as the operating system. So that means like more than half of the world's population is dependent on Android, and that is why learning Android can be more popular in comparison to learning an iOS. So the apps that run on Android are written in Java and Kotlin language. Kotlin is relatively new, and Java is more old and it's owned by Oracle. So Java is like a little bit difficult as compared to Kotlin because Kotlin have just come now, few years ago, but Java has been around for like a long time, and but still most of the apps like Java is still like relevant, like 70-80% still it is a relevant and useful programming language when it comes to Android. So why you should learn Android development? I told you before that more than half of the mobile phones in the world are running Android operating system. Also, an entry level developer in US can make this salary around $76,000. I don't know if it's true, but I have taken this stat from this website. You can check it out. And also, it is an easy to learn. Anything is easier to learn if you have the attitude. But I'll tell you why it is easy once we get into the structure of the app. And the advantage of learning Android development is that whether you have a MacBook or a Windows laptop, you can install the excuse me, you can install the Android Studio on your laptop, and you can start from there. But let's say if you want to be an iOS developer, then you would need a MacBook. So that is kind of a bummer because Apple products are already expensive in the countries like India, Pakistan, like Philippines. Like people really prefer Windows over there. So Apple products only in the US and the Canada and Western countries are more popular. So if you are thinking of becoming a developer, I would suggest you to choose Android because this does not cost much, and you can uh, get right to it with very few equipment. So these are some facts about Java. As I told you, it is owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run on Java. Mobile applications can be made, desktop applications can be made, web applications can be made, games can be made, database connection can be made on Java. So this is like nobody's gonna tell you like whatever videos that you are going to watch is everybody just says, oh yeah, you have to do it, just work hard and all that, go to internet. But I'm telling you very specific way on how to become a basic Android developer. Obviously there is a lot to it, but I understand that when I was beginning the Android development journey, then it was like really difficult for me because I didn't know where to start. So this is like I have divided this into three parts: learning Java, learning about APIs, and learning about SQLite database. Obviously, nobody use this SQLite database anymore because right now due to the incoming Android Jetpack components, it has been replaced with new technology. But I think you cannot understand the new stuff if you do not have the good basics, because it would be really difficult for you to grasp the new concept. And in this approach, like especially talking about SQLite database or learning about APIs, it's like lots of like longer code, and you have to write like so many code, like so long code. So the projects can be very big. But the new technology that has come, which is called Android Jetpack Components, makes your code shorter and robust and more manageable. But the thing is, you cannot get to the hard and serious stuff if you do not have the good basics. So I would suggest you to take a little bit of a hard path and start from these, like the basic old approach, and then you can get to the main main what is relevant in the market right now. So let's say this is the structure of an Android app. And so Android app itself is made of views. These are child views, and there is a parent view or root view. So there are so many parent view. There can be relative layout, there can be linear layout. Linear layout restricts you to have like views in vertical or horizontal. So let's say this, where is the child view? The text that you are seeing is the child of the root view, which is itself the big, this square. This whole square is a view itself, and it contains children views. So wherever you are seeing text, this is text view. Wherever you are seeing an image, this is an image view, and this image view is a child of the parent view, because it is inside this whole view itself. Wherever you are seeing a button that is clickable, whether it's an image button or a button. So that's a basic structure of an Android app. It has a, if I have to sum this up, I would say it's a view that contains children views, and those children views could be your text, could be your images, could be your buttons. Okay, so that is the shortest possible shortest introduction of an Android development. And from the next tutorial we will just start making an Android app. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. And I would try to upload this into some kind of Google Drive so you can download this presentation. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.